January is finally over and the first weekend of February is definitely bringing the heat, with this dominating high pressure system situated in the upper levels of the atmosphere, bringing heatwave conditions to parts of the Free State, Northwest and Gauteng. So here's your weekend's forecast. On Saturday morning, foggy conditions over parts of the Western Cape, the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal and around the Eastern Escarpment. Then overnight into Saturday morning, stormy conditions still expected over parts of KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga. Into the afternoon, we are expecting rainy conditions along the coast of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, with showers and thunderstorms extending over the eastern part of the country, becoming scattered here over Limpopo and Mpumalanga and parts of KwaZulu-Natal. The Weather Service is warning against severe thunderstorms with heavy downpours likely leading to localized flooding over parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, so please be careful in those regions. Only isolated showers and thunderstorms for parts of northwest Gauteng and the eastern regions of the Free State, then scattered showers along the Wild Coast and the southern coast of KwaZulu-Natal as well as the adjacent interior. Morning drizzle over the interior of the Eastern Cape, with drizzle possible along the southern coastline. On Sunday morning, foggy conditions expected over the interior of the Western Cape, the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal and over the Highveld, with cloudy conditions expected in the morning. Into the afternoon, the cold front sliding over the southern regions of the country, bringing light showers to the Southern Cape, with a band of thunderstorms extending over Namibia and Botswana, here over parts of northwest Limpopo, Gauteng, the Highveld, KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. Scattered showers and thunderstorms possible into the afternoon over northwest Limpopo, Gauteng, the Highveld, the central regions of KwaZulu-Natal and parts of the Eastern Cape, with some of these storms likely to become severe, so please be on the lookout for any weather warnings issued by the Weather Service. Isolated showers and thunderstorms possible over the central regions of Northwest as well as parts of the Free State and the central regions of the Eastern Cape, and then due to that cold front, light showers possible along the southern coastline, with morning drizzle possible over the western regions of the Western Cape. On Monday morning, cloudy conditions with a few light showers possible over the northeastern regions. Then into the afternoon, we are expecting thunderstorms over Namibia and Botswana, stretching here over northwest Gauteng, the Highveld, KwaZulu-Natal and parts of the Eastern Cape, with some of the storms likely to become severe over the Highveld, leading to heavy rain, which can lead to localized flooding. Taking a look at your winds for this weekend, westerly to northwesterly winds picking up and blowing fresh over parts of the Northern Cape and the Free State, otherwise light to moderate winds expected over the coastal regions. On Sunday, we have that weak cold front sliding over the southwestern Cape. Behind the cold front, we are expecting westerly to southwesterly winds to blow fresh along the southern coastline. A fresh northwesterly wind still expected over the southern regions of the Free State, and a northeasterly wind now picking up along the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal, with fresh to strong southerly winds blowing along the western coast and the coast of our neighbouring country, Namibia. On Saturday afternoon, extremely hot conditions are expected in parts of northwest, the Free State and Gauteng, with heatwave conditions persisting. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s expected, with 36 the afternoon in Bloemfontein, 34 in Pretoria. We are expecting a bit cooler conditions in comparison to Friday over parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, with 25 the afternoon in Pietermaritzburg. Temperatures in the mid-20s for the southern coastline. On Sunday, the heat wave conditions persisting over parts of northwest, the Free State and Gauteng, 37 now the afternoon in Bloemfontein. A hot and humid day in store for KwaZulu-Natal, with temperatures in the mid-30s. Hot conditions yet again for the Lowveld, with 37 the afternoon in Skukuza and Messina, but temperatures remaining in the lower to mid-20s for the southern coastline. On Monday, extremely hot conditions expected over the western part of the country, 35 the afternoon in Worcester, 40 in Prieska and Uppington. Cooler conditions are now returning to KwaZulu-Natal, with 25 the afternoon in Pietermaritzburg, remaining extremely hot in the Lowveld of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, and a bit cooler now in and around Gauteng, with 31 the afternoon in Pretoria. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your weekend, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.